Hey, what's up guys, Henry here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Oraimo Freepods 3. So Oraimo has been on sort of a roll for the past 2 years, releasing a lot of earbuds and smartwatches, and they've been doing real good as a lot of people here in Nigeria have been buying their products. But how does the Oraimo Freepods 3 perform? Is it a good enough wireless earphone? Well, stay tuned to find out in this video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified when I post a new video. Let's get started. Alright, so these are the Oraimo Freepods 3. Slightly huge pack here. Gonna take off the wrapping around this. Alright, let's read some of the specs in here. The Freepods 3 comes with Bluetooth version 5.2, covers a range of 10 meters, has a battery capacity of 45 mAh for the earbuds, and the charging case has a battery capacity of 500 mAh. Battery life is up to 8 hours of playtime, and the case provides additional 28 hours. On this side, you've got some extra features. You got clear voice in call, massive 13mm driver, incredibly powerful bars, charge 5 minutes and play up to 40 minutes. It has an ergonomic design, it's dust resistant, and it's IPX5 water and sweat proof. So let's open up the box and see what comes in the box of the Oraimo Freepods 3. So this is some really nice packaging here, and Oraimo seems to do a great job with their packaging these days. So I'm just going to open up this real quick. And you have the Oraimo Freepods on the top there. So yeah, these are the Oraimo Freepods. It's a Pebble-esque case that you have here, and it looks good. I don't mind it. Doesn't feel cheap in any way. Feels quite premium in my opinion. So let's see if there's any other thing we get in the box. Yeah, so you got some extra ear tips. You have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And finally in the box, you have a manual. So that's it. That's all you get in the box of the Oraimo Freepods 3. Let's take a look at the Freepods themselves and see what Oraimo has done this time around. Okay, so these are the Freepods 3, and as I said, it has a Pebble-esque design. You got the matte finish on the front and the back. This is the front here, and this is the back. You got that matte finish, and around the sides you've got a glossy finish around the sides, and there, that's where you have that USB Type-C charging port. And flipping the cover open, you can see the Oraimo Freepods 3 sitting comfortably in there. This has a very similar design to the Apple AirPods 3 that Apple released just about a year ago. So this is what they look like, and I must say that these look pretty good. This is not a cheap feeling earphone at all, or earbud at all. I mean, feels really good, feels really premium in hand. So you got the stem, is a really short stem just like the Apple AirPods Pro, and then you've got that in-ear bud that is replaceable. Okay, so you can also take off the ear tip and use this just the way it is. So one thing I've noted that I think I should let you guys know is there is no magnets in this. So when you place this in, it only just falls into the hole. No magnets holding the earbud. Again, so when you cover this, you can see how the charging signal comes up. Controls on the Freepods 3 are pretty straightforward. Double tap to play and pause or to pick and end the call. Tap and hold for 1.5 seconds on the right earbud to move to the next track, and tap and hold for 1.5 seconds on the left earbud to move to the previous track or go to the beginning of the current track you're listening to. You can triple tap to call up your phone's default voice assistant, and also triple tap when the earbuds are disconnected to enter pairing mode. The tap responses are not as sensitive or responsive as what you have in the more expensive or premium true wireless earphones out there, but it works and you'd be totally fine with them. The Freepods 3 sound good, not as pristine as you have with the likes of the Jabra Elites and the Samsung Buds Live, but the sound was well balanced. I think the balanced sound is a combination of well-tuned treble, mids and bass outputs. The earbuds come with a 13mm driver in each earbud, which is quite huge and impressive in my opinion. They're powerful enough, but one downside I noticed is when you crank up the volume, you begin to notice some micro distortions. But it actually does sound very good. I was surprised at how balanced all parts were. Treble was well balanced with the mids and the bass wasn't overpowering. The Oraimo Freepods 3 would cost you 16,500 Naira, which is about $28. And I think that's a super cool deal for these true wireless earphones. So that was it. That was my quick look at the Oraimo Freepods 3. If you have any questions about the Oraimo Freepods 3, you can leave them down in the comment section of this video and I'll get back to as much of them as I can. Again, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified when I post new videos. And if you haven't hit the like button, please hit that like button because it helps this video get recommended to more viewers. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.